Creating mini woodworking projects offers a remarkable avenue for artisans seeking to combine elegance with profitability, particularly in the realm of home decor. These smaller-scale projects not only allow woodworkers to express their creativity, but also cater to a growing market that values unique, handcrafted items. The beauty of mini woodworking lies in its versatility and the potential for high profit margins, making it an appealing venture for both seasoned craftsmen and newcomers alike. Hey there, woodcrafts enthusiasts! You're back at Decor Ideas, your go-to channel for stunning decor and woodworking inspiration. Today's woodwork project idea is about creating mini woodworking projects ideas for high profit and home decor. Ready to add charm and creativity to your home? Let's jump in and bring today's vision to life. At the core of mini woodworking projects is the concept of simplicity and elegance. Smaller items, such as decorative boxes, picture frames, or small shelves, can be designed with clean lines and minimalistic aesthetics that resonate with contemporary home decor trends. The charm of these projects is that they require less material, which keeps costs low while still allowing artisans to showcase their skills and creativity. This focus on elegance means that even the simplest of designs can have a significant visual impact, transforming everyday spaces into stylish environments. One of the most appealing aspects of mini woodworking projects is their accessibility. Artisans can often utilize leftover scraps from larger projects, reducing waste and expenses while still producing beautiful items. This practice not only promotes sustainability, but also encourages resourcefulness in design. For instance, a small cutting board or a set of coasters can be crafted from leftover hardwood, transforming what would otherwise be waste into functional and aesthetically pleasing decor. This approach underscores the elegance of woodworking, the ability to see potential in every piece of material. The design phase is crucial in creating mini projects that stand out in a crowded market. A well-conceived design can elevate a simple item into a coveted piece of decor. The minimalist aesthetic is particularly effective in this regard, as it allows the natural beauty of the wood to take center stage. Clean, uncomplicated lines not only enhance the visual appeal but also cater to the tastes of consumers who appreciate modern, understated elegance. By focusing on the essentials and eliminating unnecessary embellishments, woodworkers can create pieces that resonate with a wide audience. Craftsmanship is paramount in mini woodworking projects. The attention to detail and quality of construction can significantly impact the perceived value of the finished item. Even in small projects, meticulous joinery, precise cuts, and a smooth finish can set a piece apart from mass-produced alternatives. Consumers are increasingly seeking out unique, handmade items, and the quality of craftsmanship plays a vital role in their purchasing decisions. By pouring care and skill into each piece, artisans can command higher prices, turning small projects into high-profit ventures. Finishing touches are essential in enhancing the overall aesthetic of mini woodworking projects. The choice of stains, paints, and finishes can dramatically alter the look and feel of an item. A simple wooden box, for example, can be transformed by a rich stain that highlights the natural grain or a vibrant paint that adds a modern flair. These finishing techniques not only enhance the visual appeal but also protect the wood, ensuring longevity. Artisans can experiment with different finishes to achieve a unique look that reflects their style while appealing to consumers' preferences. If this video inspired you, why not inspire others too? Subscribe to Decor Ideas and share this video with friends and family. Let's spread creativity and make every home more beautiful with simple woodcrafting. Don't miss out on our next project. Hit the bell icon now. The market for mini woodworking projects is robust, particularly as home decor trends lean towards personalized, unique items that tell a story. Artisans can tap into this demand by marketing their products effectively. Social media platforms, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs provide excellent avenues for showcasing creations. Engaging storytelling about the inspiration behind each piece can foster a connection with potential buyers, making them more likely to invest in a handcrafted item. This narrative aspect adds an emotional dimension to the purchasing process, enhancing the perceived value of the product. Custom orders are also a lucrative avenue for mini woodworking projects. Many consumers are looking for personalized gifts or unique decor that reflects their style or resonates with their experiences. By offering customization options, such as engraving names, dates, or special messages, woodworkers can create high-demand items that consumers are willing to pay a premium for. This bespoke aspect not only increases profitability, but also strengthens the relationship between the artisan and the customer, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Moreover, mini woodworking projects are perfect for experimentation and innovation. The smaller scale allows artisans to take risks with new designs, techniques, or materials without the significant investment required for larger projects. This freedom can lead to the development of unique products that stand out in the marketplace. For instance, combining wood with other materials like resin, metal, or glass can create striking contrasts that attract attention. These innovative combinations can enhance the elegance of the finished product, appealing to design-savvy consumers. Community engagement can also play a significant role in the success of mini woodworking projects. Collaborating with other local artisans or participating in community events can boost visibility and create a sense of belonging within the craft community. By sharing skills and resources, artisans can enhance their offerings and reach wider audiences. Workshops or classes can also be a great way to connect with potential customers, allowing them to see the craftsmanship firsthand and appreciate the effort that goes into each piece. As artisans continue to hone their skills and refine their designs, the potential for profit in mini woodworking projects grows. The ability to create elegant, high-quality items that resonate with consumers can lead to a sustainable and fulfilling business. The journey from raw materials to finished products, particularly in smaller-scale projects, is not only an exercise in creativity, but also a pathway to financial success. Each piece crafted is a testament to the artisan's dedication to their craft and their ability to transform simple materials into something extraordinary. Mini woodworking projects offer a remarkable avenue for creating elegant home decor solutions that can yield high profits. By focusing on simplicity, quality craftsmanship, and innovative design, artisans can transform small-scale items into coveted pieces that enhance living spaces. The accessibility of materials, the potential for customization, and the ability to engage with a community further elevate the appeal of these projects. As the demand for unique, handcrafted decor continues to grow, mini woodworking stands out as a fulfilling and profitable endeavor, allowing artisans to share their creativity while making a meaningful impact in the world of home decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini projects ideas for high profit and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.